To start with, practice set 2.2, sub question 9. 2m multiplied by m minus 24 is equal to 50. This given equation is not in the quadratic form. You have to convert this equation in the quadratic form. So convert the above quadratic equation in standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then you have to utilize the distributive law. 2m multiplied by m minus 24 means 2m multiplied by m minus sign as it is 2m multiplied by 24 is equal to 50. Means you have to utilize the distributive law. A multiplied by b plus c is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. Like this you have to utilize the distributive law and convert the above equation in the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Transpose this plus 50 from right to left. This becomes minus 50. Then this term is divisible by 2. This term is also divisible by 2. And this term is also divisible by 2. So to reduce this equation, you have to divide both sides by 2. So I will, after dividing both sides by 2, 2m square divided by 2 is equal to m square. 48m divided by 2 is equal to 24m. Minus 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. The equation in standard form is m square minus 24m and minus 25 is equal to 0. This is the first term, this is the middle term, this is the last term. You have to utilize that first term multiplied by last term. So first term multiplied by last term is equal to m square multiplied by minus 25 is equal to minus 25 m square. Factorize this product such that the sum of the product has to come the middle term and product of these factors has to come the product of the product of this factor is equal to product of the first term and the last term. So minus 25m multiplied by 1m is equal to minus 25m. Then you have to rearrange this 24m in the form minus 25m plus 1m. Then m square minus 25m plus 1m minus 25 is equal to 0. First term as it is you have to write, last term as it is you have to write, only minus 24 you have to write in the form minus 25m plus 1m. After that you have to write this equation in the product form. M multiplied by m minus 25 multiplied by m plus 1 multiplied by m minus 1 multiplied by 25. Here within first two terms you have to take out one term common, one of the thing common, and from the last two term you have to take out something common. Then here rounded things are the common things. So I will take out this m common. If this m will come common, at that time whatever be the remaining thing you have to write in the bracket m minus 25. Plus 1 you have to take out common, at that time remaining thing m minus 25 is equal to 0. Here m minus 25 bracket is at this stage, this m minus 25 and n minus 25, this bracket has to come same and this bracket came same. So you have to take out this bracket common. M minus 25, this bracket, if you that will come common, at that time m plus 1 you have to write in another bracket. You have to compare these factors with 0. M minus 25 is equal to 0 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. You have to transpose this plus minus 25 that side, that becomes plus 25. Transpose this plus 1 that side, that becomes minus 1. And m is equal to 25 and m is equal to minus 1 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Everybody understand? Means while solving this example you have to convert it in the standard form. Then you have to do the product of the first term and the last term and you have to solve. Otherwise, another way, if these are the factors, if you will compare these factors directly with this 50, 2m is equal to 50 and m minus 24 is equal to 50, then also your answer will come. Everybody understand? If you will compare this 2m is equal to 50 and m minus 24 is equal to 50, that time your answer will come same. Then you have to come to the next question. This 10m square is equal to 9. 10th question, 10m square is equal to 9. Then 25m square is equal to 9. You have to transpose this 9 from right to left, this plus 9 becomes minus 9. If you will observe, the middle term is not given. So this is the first term, this is the last term, and both are the square term. And if in between the both the square term minus sign, so here I will utilize the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. So this is the perfect square term. I will write this 25m square as 25m bracket square, and this 9 as 3 square. This 25 is the perfect square of 5. M is the perfect square of m. Round bracket 5m square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Then you have to utilize the a square minus b square identity. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket. Then you have to say that 2m plus 5m plus 3 in one bracket, 5m minus 3 in another bracket is equal to 0. You have to equate this. You have to utilize the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket, 5m plus 3 in one bracket, 5m minus 3 in another bracket is equal to 0. Equate this with 0. 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Transpose this plus 3 that side, that becomes minus 3. Transpose this minus 3 that side, that becomes plus 3. You have in between 5 and m multiplication sign. Transpose this 5 that side, multiplied by 5 becomes divided by 5, and m is equal to minus 3 upon 5 will come. Transpose this 5 from this side to that side, multiplied by 5 becomes divided by 5. This m is equal to 3 upon 5 will come. Therefore m is equal to minus 3 upon 5 and m is equal to 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Everybody understand? I think you understand these things. You have to write these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.